for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way.
The cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. The go-to stylist, treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with it.
Hey house, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a hair sponsor, okay, featuring Wowangel hair, and I have their hair on today, baby. And when I say it came out so cute, like y'all, I slayed laying down this frontal, okay. I got some glue right here, but that's okay. I kept it right there because I'm like, you know what, we're not gonna rub that off, because when you start rubbing it off, the legs start lifting. We're not gonna do all that. We ate on this hairstyle, okay. If y'all don't know, my mama used to do my hair back then on my YouTube channel, and she's gonna be in this one, so I know y'all want to watch this one. But yeah, this curly wig is featuring Wowangel hair, y'all. It's not wet. I did wet it with conditioner. It's this cream that I use. I don't have it at the moment, but I did wet it. I did wet it already. However, I love it just like this in a state like this hairstyle. The hair, the lace down to the T. It was gorgeous. Taking this hair out of the box, gorgeous. This curl is gorgeous. Like, this thickness, gorgeous. Like, I'm telling y'all, I've been having some good wigs on my channel, and this is one of them. I just don't want to talk too much. I want to get right into it. This Wowangel wig is something that y'all should get installed. Like, it is low maintenance. I always try to figure out what wigs that I can get on my channel for you all that are low maintenance. I don't like to deal with a lot of curling because I don't know how to do all that. Now, if I get a style like this and just wet it, or get something that makes it look wet all day, baby, that's what I'm gonna go for. And this curly wig is great quality. Like, I worked with them before and I love their wig. This wig though, this one, I'm in love with this wig. I'm keeping this wig. I want y'all to get right into the tutorial. So if y'all want to see me slay this wig featuring Wowangel hair, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It is me, your Briana Marie, and you're now tuning into a sponsored hair tutorial. So I'm going to show you a little bit of what Wowangel sent me in this box. This is always a plus for me. They always have the boxes so pretty and with everything you need to do this wig. So they sent me over some lashes, wig caps, an instruction manual on the wig and how to take care of it, and also they sent me the wig, y'all. So this wig right here is a HD 13x6 lace front water wave wig. Y'all, look how it's constructed. They have combs in it. They also have a band. But most importantly, look at this HD lace. Where are you going to find good lace like this at? Wowangel. So, y'all, look how it's melting in my hand. And I didn't even put foundation or nothing in it. So, what I did was I bleached and plucked it off camera. As you can see now, that was so quick. I was ready to put this wig on my head. But I did kind of over pluck it. However, the style still came out really cute. I don't know why I did that. But in my mind, I must have been doing something. But y'all, this curl is so pretty and thick. I love it. It's a 28-inch and it is 180% density. So I just went ahead and put the cap that they provided with me in the bag, and I just went ahead and laid this cap down. I love these caps because it's not so thick like the other ones, but to each his own. Some of the other ones may suit you all too, because I still love the other ones. Once again, don't get me wrong. To melt this down, I went ahead and took some a lace spray, put it on there, set under the dryer to let it dry, and y'all, that was it. Hey y'all, so as y'all did see, I went ahead and put my cap on. I went and set under the dryer to melt this down completely. Look at that. I love these caps. Yeah, I know it came up a little bit, but that's fine. That's totally fine. We're gonna go ahead and cut this off, and we're gonna get to sizing the wig and then laying makeup on the cap. All right, y'all, so I am back. I am taking my tweezer and I am pushing that glue upward to where I want to cut it. I don't want the glue all the way down. So that was a little method, a little trick and tip that y'all can use before y'all cut y'all cap off, so that it can be close as possible to the hairline. I really don't care about the back, y'all, because yeah, it's just to basically lay it down. After this cap is on, what I'm about to do is basically take my brush and lay the edges of this cap down. Just spray this, and I just start laying it down. So I'm about to put the wig on. I did kind of overplug the wig, y'all, but I think it's fine. There's no makeup in it or nothing though, right now. So I'm just trying to cut when I need to cut, and then I kind of like over bleached it, if you get what I'm saying. Then over here, yeah, that's the part where I plucked it over here too much, y'all. But that look good. Okay, y'all. So what my mom is doing is cutting the excess tabs off. I don't need these because I want my ears to be exposed, and you have to do this with every wig. I mean, you don't have to, but I highly recommend you do this to size it to your head. Honestly, I don't know. You don't really have to put makeup in this, but I'm going to. I'm just gonna put powder in it instead of my regular makeup. And so I'm actually gonna put cream on the lace, and yeah, let's get to it. I went ahead and positioned my wig how I wanted and how it was cut. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive, y'all. Y'all know I love this stuff. I'm gonna put 4 coats on because I be going to the gym, and y'all, when I say I be sweating, I be sweating. So I'm gonna see how the real test is when I put this down, because that sweat do not be playing. And I want to come up on my forehead. So right here, I go above it. When you're laying this glue down, make sure the width of the glue is thick so that your wig can last, okay? That's key. Okay, so you want to wait for this to turn clear. I'm going to put on the other 3 off camera, and I'm going to come right back. All right, y'all, it's time to lay this wig down. So make sure the hairs, the tip of the hair where the hairline starts, make sure it is put directly where the start of the glue is. If that makes sense, y'all. That is how you're going to get the wig to lay down flat as possible and not have to go back in with any glue. Make sure you have a comb on hand, because what you're going to do is comb the hair back and press that lace right into the glue, okay? This is going to ensure that it lasts and stays all night. One more thing, I just want to come in and say, can we appreciate this lace that Wowangel sent us? Like, look how it is melted. I didn't even cut it yet, but the melt is impeccable. Come on, please. Wowangel, you did your thing with this one. Laid down, y'all. Laid. I'm about to hot comb it, and then I'm gonna sit on the dryer for a little bit so they can melt like I want it to melt. And then my mama's going to style it, y'all. I can't wait till y'all see the style. Did I forget to mention that Wowangel sent over a lace melt band? Baby, we put that on, but wait for the glue is dry and then put it on. And look, it melted. Okay, do y'all see that hairline? Okay, enough said. Back to the tutorial. After I took that lace band off, it is time to cut, y'all. And y'all are about to see the truth of how this HD melted into my skin. So I'm going to cut this excess lace off. And y'all are going to go in zigzag motions. If y'all don't want to do that, I know somebody has scissors out here that has zigzag motions on it, and y'all don't want to wiggle y'all hand to do that. But just cut this lace off, y'all. And when I tell you, y'all are already seeing how this is melting. Look at girl's scalp, scalpy Anna, scalp down. Like, if y'all don't go ahead and check out Wowangel and shop, girl, this is a bomb wig, affordable bomb wig that y'all need to get. But just go ahead. I'm just gonna let y'all look. Go ahead and appreciate this lace, cause I cannot. It's just giving scalp. I need to go take a picture because I need just them to see the before and after. And then my mom is gonna get to styling this, y'all. I'm just gonna sit real quick. I'm not even gonna put the band on there. It's like no need. I don't need to put the band. All right, y'all. So this is what y'all came to see, the style. Let's get into the style. So I'm only gonna have 2 baby hairs out on each side. So that's 4 in total. She just basically mapping out where she wants the baby hairs at first. But y'all can clearly see that I overplucked it. But ain't nothing wrong with a little bit of black spray. I actually didn't put black spray in the areas that I feel like were needed. I only put it in the zigzag part. Well, my mom did. So she's just basically parting out areas. She's leaving the back down, and then at the top she's going to create 2 ponytails. So she's creating a zigzag part now. And after she creates the zigzag part, she's going to go ahead and hot comb this down. So make sure you part out all the areas that's needed to be parted out. If y'all are following along with this, cause baby, this is how you're gonna learn. That is how I learned doing makeup, by just following steps off tutorials and actually kept being persistent in doing it. So she's gonna take the hot comb and she's going to baby flatten this down. Okay, I didn't know about that back then. Like I keep telling y'all, like back then when I used to do wigs and stuff, I did not know about none of this. And if I did, like maybe I would be cold for real. But my mom, she knows how to style stuff, so I love her when it comes to the style. Okay, baby, and let me lay that wig down and you do the style. Okay, girl. So that's what she did. So she's taking rubber bands and she's going to put both of the sides into 2 ponytails. So this is 1 ponytail that she's doing, because I wanted to do like 2 little knots. I was going to leave them just like that, like 2 little ponytails, but y'all, I wanted knots. Like I wanted something different. Like y'all don't really see me doing anything creative with the wigs, but just putting them in like either a middle part or a side part. I love a side part. So we went ahead and went with a style, baby. And then to double it, to make sure the ponytail is tight, you're gonna go ahead and take after the 1 ponytail that you do, you're gonna take another set of rubber bands and make sure that the ponytail is flat, tight, and secured, y'all. I'm telling y'all, trust the process when it comes to doing this, because baby, it's all going to come together. Like she's wrapping this pretty long, like on to the next, come on. Okay, y'all, so right here she's going to hot comb this some more and also hot comb the back. So that was the zigzag part, and like I told y'all, I over bleached it as well. So yeah, and that's how you know this lace is good, because if it takes bleach that well, y'all, period, lethal. So with the baby hairs that she took out, she's going to go ahead and cut them and also curl them. You can also curl them a way that you want. So you can curl them up, you can curl them down, whichever way, but she's curling them under, and she's going to take this Tresemme. It's like a gel to actually lay the baby hairs down. But before she do that, she is taking some black spray. I actually wanted her to take the little part. I don't know, she said her stylist does it that way when spraying the part, but I like it better with the little part, like of the comb, the stem of the comb. I don't like the actual comb and then spray, because it's not going to be neat enough. But she went ahead and did my baby hairs. I love the baby hairs. I love the big sideburns. I don't know about y'all, but I love me a big sideburn. Okay, and those 8s, period. And just imagine if I would have kept more hair, but y'all, it's still 8. It's still 8. And she's going to do the other side as well. So you see how when she does the baby hair, she takes her finger and goes along with the swoop. That is how you do your baby hairs. She's going to take a little bit of spritz. And now she's going to water this hair, because like I told y'all, this is a 28-inch water wave HD lace closure. Go shop Wowangel down in the description right below. And she's going to water my hair. And to keep it define, like those curls more defined, get you all some cream so that those curls could still look wet over time. I didn't get cream. I just went ahead and just sprayed it. Well, she went ahead and sprayed it with conditioner and water in a bottle, and yeah, it is going to get thicker over time and more poofier. But this is what she did for the knot. She went ahead and just wetted it, rolled it up before she actually rolled it on the top, and then she's going to take a rubber band to secure it. She also left a little hair out just so those little curls can stand out the ponytails. Y'all see that? Y'all get what I'm saying? Right there. So she's also going to do the other side just like that. So again, spray the ponytail. Okay? Spray the ponytail, and you're going to comb it. Okay? Comb it first. After you comb it, she did take some mousse too. Look, I see it right there. She took some mousse as well, and she's going to roll it. After she combs it, she's going to roll it before she actually does a roll, actually does the knot ponytail. Okay, so she rolled it in her hand, and now she's going to actually make the knot, create the knot. And y'all, that is it. Okay, that is it. Put that rubber band on there and start pulling the knot so they can look more fluffy instead of like a cashed out mini knot. I want like these little knots. And y'all, that is how you get this look, y'all. Put the band on, and then now it's time for me to do my makeup. However, if y'all haven't checked out Wowangel, don't forget to go do so in the description right below. And I'm going to see you all on the outro. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed this hair tutorial featuring Wowangel, and I know y'all been wanting to see my mama, so I really hope that y'all liked it. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, rate, and subscribe, which is all the same thing, because I know y'all made it to the end. And until then, I'll see you guys on my next